Hi, Phil here from Rich Returns. I want to give you a very quick introduction into our new feature, language customization, which I think is super cool. We worked on this for the last month and it's now live when you see this video. So let's just jump directly into it. The translation feature that we usually give you, the languages on the basic plan, means we give you all languages we have, currently 11 languages. We're adding new languages frequently, but essentially what it means is the same way as, for example, Amazon and all the big stores do it. We automatically detect the language for your customer, meaning for US stores, for example, most of your customers will have English in their browser set, and then we will display the English language to your customer, right? If you have a Spanish customer, we will display the Spanish language, which is pretty cool because customers ultimately have control over what they can see, right? That's what we give you on the basic plan, and for our bigger plans, it was a much requested feature from all bigger merchants, enterprise merchants. They want to customize the entire experience, right? So they can give their returns portal the brand's voice that their entire store has. So this is now live. If you click on customize, you can see our screen here, and compared to the other one where we have 11 languages that are pre-populated, we also give you all the other languages, right? That you can be Korean, you see here. Japanese, Icelandic, you can add the language yourself or use one of the languages here. Let's just pick, for example, English. And I've activated this language and I've made it the default language, right? So you can pick multiple languages, let's just say English and Spanish, and make English the default language, which means that if there's no other language available, let's just say someone with a French browser comes to you, we will display the English language, right? Which means you as a merchant can take complete control over the process, which I think is super cool. Let's just, as an example, so this is the returns portal that we're going to customize. And let's just say, for example, the brand here is called Gym Bros. Let's just say, not just say return to store, which is generic. Let's just say return to Gym Bros store, right? Just hit save, reload that portal, and you can see your return to Gym Bros store, right? Okay, other than that, let's just say, for example, instead of returns and exchanges, let's say a return portal. And we have already set this. So if you're using our software usually, it just says please enter a valid order number, like this. Please enter a valid order number. Let's just hit save and reload. So if we, for example, don't put anything, please enter a valid order number. So it'll be nicer, as you've seen before, to have a hint or something. So if I copy paste that, what was there before, hint, use the order number from your confirmation, yeah, something like that, right? Let's just reload that, and now you see hint, use the order number from confirmation, which means in turn you will probably get a lot less emails from customers that don't know which order number or something like that, or your store uses a special format. In Shopify you can both set prefixes and suffixes to your order number, so this is pretty neat. Same thing in the email. Probably some customers have multiple emails, so tell them that it is the email address that they were using for the order. As an example, instead of start a return, we can say from start here. Let's just hit save, and as you can see, it is reflected live, right? So it's not anything cached, it's right when you save it, which I think is super cool. Yeah, so in summary, essentially with the language customization feature, we give you the option to put your brand's voice on that returns portal page. You can go through all the things that we have through the process, and you can customize them to your brand, which I think is super cool. It means you can give your customers a better returns experience, which means customers become repeat customers because they have a bigger trust in your brand, which means you have a better conversion rate, which ultimately means it makes you more money. So I think this feature is super cool to take that returns process to another level, not just giving customers the possibility to return, but make it one step of the touches you have with that customer, right? Just because a customer returns a product doesn't mean he hates your brand. It just means right? They were just not satisfied with that product, or they ordered multiple sizes, so make it a really, really nice process for them. This feature is available on our Pro Plan, Premium Plan, Plus Plan. If you're on our basic plan and you want to upgrade, just head over to your account, your plan, and as you can see, Pro Plan, it has all 100 returns included, all the features from standard, and language customizations, and what I think is also pretty neat, business intelligence, CSV exports. We give you literally all data we have on these returns, right? So you click on, you select the time range, you click export, and it gives you everything, right? So I think this is pretty cool. So just click choose plan. It'll upgrade you to a higher plan. It'll redirect you back to our dashboard here. Reload the dashboard once, and then you have the feature enabled. All right, that's it. If you need any help, as always, just hit the help button in the top right corner, and you get directly connected to us or to me. We're going to help you out as ASAP. I hope to see you in one of the next videos. Have a great week. Have a successful week. See you soon. Bye.